Forget counting sheep. What if I told you the key to winding down and boosting your health while you sleep fits in one golden cup? Tonight, we're diving into 20 incredible things that happen to your body when you swap your late-night scrolling and snacking for warm turmeric water. This isn't just about glowing skin. It's about a total overnight system reboot that changes how you wake up. But before we get into the magic, let's talk recipe. You just need a pinch of turmeric powder, a cup of warm water, and here's your first science secret: a tiny dash of black pepper. Why? Because turmeric's star compound, curcumin, is poorly absorbed by the body. But a study from the Journal of Foods found that the piperine in black pepper can boost that absorption by up to 2,000%. Seriously, don't skip the pepper. All right, let's dive into the 20 amazing benefits, starting with the one we all crave: the sleep relaxation benefits. 1. Deep, restorative sleep. Benefit number 1 hits the moment your head touches the pillow. Deeper, restorative sleep. Think of chronic inflammation like tiny, annoying background noise in your body. Curcumin acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory, calming that noise down. When your body isn't fighting low-grade inflammation all night, it can finally switch into true rest and repair mode. 2. Soothing nervous system. It's not just physical, it's mental. Holding that warm mug, sipping on turmeric water, instantly cues your brain to slow down. Warm liquids can help stimulate the vagus nerve, which helps shift your body from fight or flight into that calm, rest and digest state. It's an internal lights-out switch. 2. Overnight repair detox benefits. 3. Liver detox while you rest. Your liver is the body's night shift janitor, and turmeric water is its energy drink. It helps boost the production of vital detoxifying enzymes in the liver, meaning it's literally processing and flushing out toxins more efficiently while you're dreaming. It's hands-free, overnight cleansing. 4. A natural anti-inflammatory. This is the big one. Superior anti-inflammation. Chronic aches? That stiffness in your joints? Curcumin is a natural superstar against pain. The Journal of Medicinal Food published a study suggesting curcumin may be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. Sip it at night, and you're prepping your body for an easy morning. 5. Fights oxidative stress, antioxidants. Think of free radicals as rust on the inside of your body. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that neutralize this rust, a process called fighting oxidative stress. Since your body is in deep repair mode overnight, drinking this right before bed gives those antioxidants a long, uninterrupted shift to protect your cells from damage. 6. Gut lining repair. An irritated gut can keep you up. Curcumin is known to help soothe inflammation in the gut lining. By drinking it at night, you're giving your digestive system hours of peace to repair itself without the stress of processing a big dinner. Hello, happy tummy in the morning. 3. Digestive metabolism boosting benefits. 7. Gentle bowel movement aid. Let's be real, a good morning starts with a good bathroom trip. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce more bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and moving things along. You're essentially giving your digestive tract a gentle nudge for a smooth morning flush. 8. Boosts metabolism overnight. This one's a favorite. It helps your metabolism work while you sleep. When your digestion is optimized, thanks to that bile production, and your liver is happy, your overall metabolic rate gets a subtle lift. It's not a magic pill, but a more efficient body is a fat-burning body, even at rest. 9. Reduces evening bloating gas. Ever feel bloated after dinner? Turmeric water is a classic remedy for that. The warm water helps relax the GI muscles, and the turmeric itself can help reduce gas formation. Instead of a heavy, uncomfortable feeling, you get a soothing, debloating effect right before bed. IV. Brain mood benefits. 10. Enhances memory focus. BDNF. Sleep is when your brain does its filing, and turmeric helps with the ink. Curcumin is linked to increasing levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as a growth fertilizer for your brain cells. Studies suggest this support can aid memory and learning, making your sleeping brain a super worker. 11. Natural mood stabilizer. Remember how we talked about a happy gut? Well, a huge amount of your serotonin, your happy chemical, is produced there. By calming gut inflammation, turmeric water can indirectly support neurotransmitter balance. People report feeling a sense of calmness, which is perfect for transitioning into a good night's sleep and waking up on the right side of the bed. Heart circulation benefits. 12. Supports healthy blood pressure. Your heart doesn't stop working just because you're asleep. Turmeric helps the lining of your blood vessels, the endothelium, work more efficiently. By improving this function, it helps your vessels relax and widen, which is a fantastic natural way to support healthy blood pressure levels while your body is at rest. 13. Lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. Another great overnight check-in for your heart is cholesterol management. Some research indicates that turmeric can help lower your total cholesterol and the bad LDL cholesterol, specifically by reducing its oxidation. It's like having a little cleanup crew working on your arteries while you sleep. Immune disease fighting benefits. 14. Overnight immune system boost. Did you know your immune system is extremely active while you sleep? Turmeric water floods your system with antimicrobial and antioxidant power right before this peak work time. It's like giving your body's defense team the best possible gear for their night shift. 15. Fights chronic disease risk. Because chronic inflammation is linked to almost every major disease, from diabetes to heart issues, drinking turmeric water every night is an active step toward longevity. You're constantly turning down the volume on the risk factors that lead to long-term health problems. It's preventative health in a mug. 7. Skin beauty benefits. 16. Anti-aging antioxidant surge. If you want that morning glow, you have to work on it overnight. By fighting oxidative stress, turmeric helps protect the collagen and elastin in your skin. Less rust on your cells means fewer wrinkles, better elasticity, and a noticeable anti-aging effect. 17. Calms inflammatory skin conditions. Acne and rosacea are often inflammation issues showing up on your face. By taking this internal anti-inflammatory at night, you're directly soothing those flare-ups from the inside out. You're letting your skin chill out and repair itself instead of constantly reacting. Miscellaneous bonus benefits. 18. Natural pain relief for joints. For anyone with active joints or a big gym day, this is your secret weapon. The anti-inflammatory power targets the enzymes that cause joint pain. Think of it as a natural alternative to an evening ibuprofen, but with added health perks. 19. Blood sugar regulation support. Having stable blood sugar overnight is crucial for everything from good sleep to weight management. Early research suggests that curcumin can help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body is better at managing the sugar you ate earlier in the day. It's a great way to normalize your body's systems before a fast. 20. Simple hydration electrolyte balance. Bonus. And finally, let's not forget the simplest benefit: pure hydration. So many of us are mildly dehydrated when we go to bed. That cup of turmeric water ensures your body has the fluid it needs for all the repair, detox, and immune work we just talked about. It's the foundation for everything else. Conclusion. So there you have it, 20 reasons to make turmeric water your nightly ritual. From deep sleep to overnight detox and that incredible morning glow, this golden cup is pure health gold. Try it for 7 nights. Just a pinch of turmeric, warm water, and a dash of pepper, and tell me in the comments what benefit you felt first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health secrets.